Hello everyone, welcome back to Graybrook Creations. My name is Michaela and today I'm going to be making a cup for a bridal shower present. So first you can see here I'm just cleaning off the cup. I want to make sure I get all the oils off of it before I add any stickers to it or any vinyl to it. Usually I just spray the cup with some rubbing alcohol and then I wipe it down with one of the anti-fiber cloths. Also, this helps remove any little dust particles or lint particles that might be on the cup. Next, I put my vinyl into my Cricut to cut the design out. I use permanent vinyl for most of my cup applications, and for this one, I went ahead and chose gold because I feel like gold is really in right now. The next step in the process is what they call weeding the vinyl. So now I am going to basically peel off the parts of the vinyl that I don't want on the cup, and the part that's left is going to be the part that I actually put on the cup. For today's design, I decided to do some flowers along with the word wifey, which you will see at the end. I just felt the flowers kind of added a nice little feminine touch to the cup. So this is usually my favorite part of the process. It's really satisfying to peel those little pieces of vinyl off. I think a lot of people like this part of the process as well. After I finish weeding the vinyl, I'm going to add some transfer tape over the top and make sure that the flowers are stuck really good to that transfer tape. This is going to allow me to pull the vinyl off of that smart vinyl backing and transfer it directly onto my glass cup. Here you can see I was having a little bit of trouble getting that vinyl to stick to that transfer tape. That happens sometimes, and I just use my little scraper to apply some more pressure and really get it stuck to that transfer tape. Finally, it's time to actually stick the vinyl onto the cup. I usually just try to look at it and center it the best I can, and then I slowly roll the cup, which puts the stickers on, and make sure there's no air bubbles under any of those stickers, and then also making sure it doesn't overlap on the end so that all the actual cute little flowers and gold vinyl are stuck onto the cup. Lastly, I'm just going to peel the transfer tape off of the cup. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get that process started, but once it gets started, then the vinyl usually sticks really well to the cup and the transfer tape comes right off. Sometimes with vinyl stickers that have these big flat surfaces, such as the leaves you see on this flower, I just like to go through and take my scraper and make sure that any little air bubbles that might be under those big sections are pushed out. Here you can see the cup is all done, all the vinyl stickers are on, and it's ready to be gifted. That's it for today. Thanks everyone.